Mark the Meerkat Suffern here with freeonlinetradingeducation.com. I'm back from vacation. Well, here we have a trade this morning in the GrokStar room on SR. Now, that made history yesterday. I don't know if it was history or not, but I was actually driving back from a vacation in the car, and it was up over 395%. That was yesterday. So this is what it looked like at opening. This yellow line here is opening, and then it boom! It took off there, hit the $15 mark. It started to pull back. I said if it breaks the $15 mark, I want it to be long. So it did. It pulled back here and then took off again, and I got in at $15.10. I'm now long SR. And then it shot up here to the $16 area and continued to jump around. And that was forming what we call a rising wedge. You see that? Let me pull this down. There it is, a rising wedge, which is a bearish formation, that if it breaks below this trend line, I want it to be out because it's bearish. So I'm pulling my stop up here just below the trend line, and bam, there it goes. It fell down here and took out half, went on the first break of it at $16.25 for 7.6%. And then it fell down here below the 8 EMA where I had my second stop at $16.06 for 6.4% on the second half. So this total trade from here, with half out right there on that first break and from there, was for 7.0% in 10 minutes. Now let's go back and take a look at this whole run up from opening. This run up from opening right here all the way up to here was for 24%. But Mark, you only got 7% out of it. Only. But that takes me to our saying for today, and that is, remember that great fishermen, what do? As soon as they have a great catch, they cut off the head and the tail. In trading, we're just going for the meat of the trade. We don't worry about the top. We don't worry about the bottom. In this case, 7%. I'll take it. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffern. Trade well.